Hi, my name is Zilla, and I would like to share my experience about hypnotherapy sessions which I recently had with Mr. Risha. Uh, the reason why I started looking for a therapist in the first place was because of what I had been going through from past few months, and I do not just mean emotionally but also physically. My mental state had started showing repercussions on my physical health, and it affected my daily life to a great extent, uh, which is when I decided that I should seek professional help. I didn't feel like getting up at all in the morning. I used to feel like not dealing with anything or anybody, not talking to anybody, not doing anything, and just lying on my bed. And even when I did get up, I had this. I used to feel constantly anxious for no reason, and this is not just limited to my emotional state. I could actually feel this happening in my body because there was this constant congestion, some kind of heaviness in my chest that I used to feel. So much so that there were days when I could not even eat anything because it made me feel very pukish, and that triggered another health problem altogether. Then there were days when I could not even when I started crying abruptly. And unlike earlier when I used to cry, like when generally when a person cries they feel light after that, and that was the case, at least that was the case with me before. But during this particular phase of my life, even after crying, I didn't feel light. I felt heavier. In fact, I felt suffocated, I would say. And so I did not really know what to do and how to deal with the situation, because generally earlier when I used to feel heavy, when I used to feel upset about something, I used to cry and release my emotions and move on. But that was not happening now. Even after crying, I didn't feel okay. And therefore I contacted a friend, and she gave me Miss Trisha's number. And all thanks to her, I think it took me around 7 to 8 sessions, spanning across a month, and to get to the root cause of the problem. And I do not have those issues now. Like today, when I get up in the morning, I do not feel heavy, I do not feel congested or suffocated, and I do not feel restless. I am able to just concentrate in the present and do what I'm supposed to do, like I have always wanted to. And I have only Miss Trisha to thank for the same. She has been very helpful throughout the process. And one thing that I would like to say particularly about this process and Miss Trisha's process basically is that she has not only helped me solve the immediate problems that I was facing, as in what I was going through physically, like not being able to concentrate and feeling restless, anxious, uh, but she has helped me gain a holistic understanding of my situation. uh, I was under the assumption that whatever was happening because of certain incidents that had happened during the past few months. But after the sessions, I realized that it went way beyond that. It was related to something that happened in my childhood, and I did not even know that things that happen when we were so young could actually affect the way we think and we behave in certain situations of our life. She helped me gain that understanding. She helped me understand where I was coming from basically, and why do I have certain aspects to my personality. So I would just say that she has not only helped me solve my physical health problems and my mental issues, but also made me more self-aware and helped me align myself in the right direction that I have always wanted to. uh, I'm really thankful to her for that. She has been very patient throughout this journey. And yeah, to those who might be going through these kind of issues, symptoms might not be the same, but if you just feel like, if you do not feel like yourself, if you do not feel well, please do not wait for it to uh, become a worse version than it is in the present. Just deal with it in the first instance, accept it, and then deal with it in your way. And definitely seek professional help, because it's important, because our mental health and our mental state affects our life in more ways than we can ever think. uh, and yeah, it's not something that we should take lightly. And Miss Trisha would definitely be a perfect person to help you solve whatever you might be facing in the best possible manner that exists. And yeah, so that's all from my end. Thank you.